Okay. Now let's go to addition. Let's go to addition. Okay. Before I go to the addition, which is the point from having uh, counting and having the whole numbers are, is to add. We need to add those numbers. We need to use those numbers to add, like we add apples to apples, bananas to bananas, books to books. We add like 2 boys plus 3 boys, 1 girl plus 1 girl equal 2 girls, and so on. So that's what addition is. That's what addition is. Addition is to add a number to a second number to obtain a third number. And plus is the symbol of addition. So addition is to add a number to a second number to obtain a third number. And this plus sign here, this is a sign of the addition. Sign of the addition, or the symbol of addition. Okay, so let's get an example. So 1 apple plus 2 apples equal 3 apples. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 book plus 2 books equals 3 books. Right? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 9 plus 10. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 13 plus 4 equals 17. Okay, don't worry about now. We're gonna go all of this to tables. There's a long list of tables which is very, very fun to learn. Okay, okay, all right. Are you guys ready for some exercise on the addition? Let's do it, let's do it. Okay, now 3 plus 5 is what? 3 plus 5 is 8. So if we have 3 apples plus 5 apples, the answer is 8. Right? And 4 plus 2 equals 6. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So again, 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 1 plus 4 is 5, equal 5. 2 plus 3 is, again, is 5. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8 plus 1 equal 9. Okay, don't worry, we're going to have a long list of tables. Subtraction. Now, we're going to go through the subtraction later on, but let's go through the tables. Addition and subtraction tables. This is I made in my book. Okay, 1 plus 1 equal 1. 2 plus 0 equal 2. 3 plus 0 equal 3. 4 plus 0 equal 4. Now, 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. I made many of these tables myself in my book. Okay, so you read them and then you use a scratch paper and a pencil and you cover the book and you say, and you cover. You write 1 plus 1 on the blank paper and you say what is 1 plus 1? And you write down the answer. And then 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then you write down what the answers are according to these tables, but without looking at the book. Right? Don't look at the book. Just write down 1 plus 0, and then how much is it? And so on and so forth. And then we have 1 plus 15 equals 16. 1 plus 16 equals 17. That's why the book is extremely important to order in order to file with those, to follow me, with these videos. Okay, and then we have addition for 5s, addition for 9s, addition for 1s, and what else we have? I didn't make all the numbers this way. You exercise better. So we have 1s and 5s and 9s. Tables. And then we have subtraction. Now, subtraction is this symbol here is subtraction, right? This one here is the sign of subtraction, the symbol of subtraction. Subtraction is when you take away an amount from another amount. Like you say, you have 4 apples, right? You take it out from, actually you take 4 apples, you take 3 apples from those 4 apples. So what we have here is 1 apple, right? 1 apple. So you have 4 apples. You and your brother or your sister, you ate 3 apples, which is good for you, actually. Apples are good for you. And it's better than chips, if you ask me. And 4 apples minus 3 apples, you ate already. So what we have left is 1 apple. You leave it to your mom or your dad, right? You know, because they love you very much, so you love them back. We leave them 1 apple, right? Okay, so we have 4 apples minus 3 apples. What we have left is 1 apple. If we have 3 mailing stamps, and we use 2 mailing stamps to mail like a thank you card for your teacher or happy birthday for your friend. So you take 2 stamps out. What we have left is 1 stamp. So 4 apples minus 3 apples equal 1 apple. 3 stamps minus 2 stamps equal 1 stamp. And then 5 glasses of milk minus 2 glasses of milk. You drank already. What we have left is 3 glasses of milk, right? Now, we have subtraction tables. 15 minus 0 is 15, 15 minus 1 is 14, 15 minus 2 is 13, and etc., etc. 15 minus 9 equals 6, 14 minus 9 is 5, 13 minus 9 is 4, and 13 minus 8 is 5, and we have 15s, 11s, and 7s, and 6s, okay? So 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Go over them, read them, use sketch paper to exercise. Like you take this one here, for example, you take 7 minus 5, you write it down on a blank piece of paper, and then you close the book if you bought the book, and then you write down what's the answer for 7 minus 5 on blank of paper, and then you say 7 minus 5 is 2. and then you go back to the book and you compare your answer on your blank paper to the answer in the book. So you have the answer as 2. Okay. Now next time we're gonna do the multiplication, which is little bit exciting. Okay, I'll see you next video. Now the answer for next video is the answer for this video actually is Amazon. Amazon is the longest river in the world after the Nile River. I will see you next video. The question for next video is, what is the third longest river after the Nile and the Amazon? What is the third longest river after the Nile and the Amazon? The answer is on the next video. I will see you next video. Thank you so much.